Hello, I'm going to try to show you Edpuzzle. I looked and I made sure everybody was in. There was just one person who was not signed up, and I will contact that person. I set them up for them. So when you go into Edpuzzle, there's going to be videos to watch, and this is just so instead of having to take notes, you can just watch the video and I can see that you did it so you can get your credit. So if you go to Edpuzzle, and that's not the one I want. Let's see. Edpuzzle. I'm hoping on your app it's already saved everything. So in this case, what you're going to have is you're going to have this amount of assignments assigned to you based on your course. So if you look, there's two assignments there, and it says no due date. So that's the one you're going to click on. And I believe on your screen it'll be like two, and it'll show that you have two outstanding assignments. It's in progress. You can see that I have all you guys in there in there already set up because we did this a while ago. And it says due assignments, but this one is not due. And I can see if you've been able to watch the video. This one's really nice and short, so it can give you an idea of cubic functions. So you're just going to watch the videos as one of your tasks for a day. So looking back, let's see if I can get that back. Let's see, my classes. Yours will look a little different because I'm looking at mine as a teacher, but you can see that there's two videos here. This one's 6 minutes and this one's 5 minutes here. And so when we're looking at these, it's just really to give you a preview of cubics, and then cubic functions can be then practiced the next day. And you're going to be using Delta Math to do that, so hopefully that's already set up. So good luck with that. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks.